Good day everyone. Here's my OJT vlog. My experience and journey in 300 hours of rendering at Casel's Technology in Ortigas, Pasig. So, office location is located at Unit 616 City and Land Mega Plaza, ADB Avenue Corner, Garnet Road, Pasig 1600 Metro Manila. So, support channels, merchants can access dedicated support via merchant inquiry at Castech.Asia or through their support hotlines, ensuring that every partner is supported throughout their business journey. So, nag-OJT ako sa Casel's Technology. So, short info, over 2 decades of experience, established Casel Technology as a global leader in payment solution, secure, reliable, and innovative technology, empowers business of all sizes, ensuring every transaction is seamless and protected. A commitment to excellence drives the company to continually evolve and shape the future of digital payments. So, sila yung nag-organize or develop through advanced technology via digital payment instead of cash. So, pwede magbayad through cards, digital payment by swiping it. So, me as an OJT training for their company, pinagawa nila ako ng system for their client who wants to inquire for their products or service. Na instead na manual manipulation and management ang gagawin, magiging seamless, automated, organized, and easily data-driven assessment na yung data. So, system na ginawa ko, merchant registration system, nandun na lahat ng info or data about ni clients. Naka-organize na rin, ang gagawin na lang is assess na lang kung approve or disapprove si clients ni admin. So, I will demonstrate the system here. So, ito yung merchant registration system. So, import button if you want to import CSV file. Then, kapag nag-import ka ng CSV file, naka-organize na yan, makikita dyan yung business name, business type, address, contact person, email, and kapag nag-edit ka or delete ng data ni clients, so makikita yun sa history log or history button pag kinlik yan. Clear, if you want to restore data, mababalik yung mga dinelete mo or yung mga inedit mo once you click clear. And price button if you want to save the current data grid view or yung gusto mong i-save, yan, click process button. And application, ayan. So sa application, dyan mag-a-assess si admin kung sino yung i-approve niya or disapprove. Ayan. So dito makikita yung mga pending case na nakalimutan niyang i-assess, and dito makikita naman yung approve and pending case. So ito yung mga approve. Ayan. Tapos if you want to search specific name or may hinahanap ka, search mo lang dyan sa name and clear if you done. That's all of my OJT video vlog. Thanks for watching and listening. Bye bye.